Our expedition to the Antarctic Peninsula presented unforgettable experiences daily, but one moment that really stood out for me was our landing at Neko Harbour. After 2 weeks of island hopping through this archipelago, we were now standing on the frozen landmass of the Antarctic continent. The weather was fantastic as we hiked across the snowdrifts up to a spectacular viewpoint. From there, we could see Neko Harbour in its entirety, a vast ocean bay in a mountainous and almost silent polar wilderness. Only the creaking sounds of the glacier in the valley below interrupted the perfect stillness. By flying the drone, I was able to peer down into the enormous crevasses that broke up its snow-covered surface, looking deep into the heart of the glacier, revealing the rich blue tones of ancient ice. We waited patiently with my camera locked on the glacier. Its rumbling sounds became increasingly frequent until finally the ice front gave way and a colossal piece collapsed into the ocean. I felt the thunderous sounds of the carving in my chest as the moment was etched into my memory forever.